Hi, how's it going? Mike Doherty with ThermaShield, sprayedcork.com. We're gonna spray this miniature house here with cork to simulate the fire retardant properties that it has naturally. We also have an additive for this product coming out very, very soon. It's a Class A fire resistant additive. But as it stands, the cork is fire retardant naturally, and it works really well against repelling heat with its thermal properties and the fire retardant properties. So right now we're going to spray this, and later we're going to build a fire, and we're going to set this in an identical one at identical distances from the hot fire and show what happens from the heat of the flames, such as a forest fire or something with a house in it. Go ahead and turn it on, Marty.